Alrighty, so this is how I recover with my homemade recovery pump. Basically, there's a compressor in here. This one looks kind of beat up, but it's working good. Suction line goes into the yellow hose. This one stays here. Then we add another blue line, in this case, going here to the recovery tank. Just open it up. And let it recover. Okay, here we go. So this cylinder recovery tank weighs about 28 pounds, and I got 0.17 pounds. 0.17. So if you do pounds to ounces, that's about 2.5 ounces. And we can see here, I don't know, we can tare weight. 28 pounds. So this weighs 28. You got 28.17. So this recovery does take a while, especially because it's not a recovery pump, but it does the job. And the important thing here is to get the refrigerant out and not vent it into the atmosphere. I do have a video that shows how to make one of these if you're interested. I'll look it up and put the link in the description if you're interested in making one of these. It's better than nothing. It's not the best, but it gets the job done. Alrighty, hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye. Alrighty, so I've been at it for a few minutes now, and as you can see, it's 28.20. And I'll include a screenshot of the conversion of pounds to ounces, and I'll show you how much it should have. So it pretty much has everything. Probably wait a few more minutes. 20.21. So I'll wait a few more minutes, but as far as the video, we're done. All right, thank you.